What do we have here? Nice brown box. This one from Dynamic Auto and Sound. Looks like the 6x9s are here, which are going to replace the scars that I've been talking about. We're going to do a little unboxing. See if I can actually do this without cutting myself. Always a finger or something. Every time. Oh yeah, I might need a tripod or something. Little 10% off promo code there for everybody to use, because I'm not. I already used mine. Let's see. Nice little cut right there. Okay, yeah. There we go. Okay. ECX-690.5, 300 watts. All the good stuff. It's got some sizes. A little worried these won't actually fit, but only time will tell. Okay, so that's how it's packaged. We'll just toss this box back there and set this over here by the dab rig. Alright, so what do we got? Coax. Yeah, some people are like, don't run coax, blah blah blah, don't run 6x9s, blah blah blah. Well, you know what? Fuck you guys, I'm gonna do what I want to do. And I'm putting these in the back rear deck. I think it's better than putting components back there. They will actually go a little deeper. So what do we got here? Just some language stuff. Your inspection. Here we go. Alright. I don't talk about the wattage, but they're 100 watts RMS each. Not sure why they're saying 300 watts. Maybe because there's different little speakers in there. And we're just gonna set this down for a moment right there on the knife so it's nice and black. Pull it out, bam, and we're back. So what do we got? We got the owner's manual. They usually seem to put good info in theirs. All the different languages. Is it mostly languages? Yeah. Pretty much they put all the info on all their shit in these little manuals. The different ones you can get. Different settings. A little warranty card. The reason I'm doing this unboxing is most of the ones that I found for Hertz all seem to be in Russian and German and other stuff. These don't even apply. You know, these are the tweeters that came with the other set that I installed and the components up front. Measurements. There you go. Here's some 6x9 info. What do we got here? Just all the different measurements and everything they have on them. Still don't see any power indicating stuff. Well, you got your TS parameters for everything. For all of them, which is pretty good. Different ways to wire them up. So they include a lot of details in their stuff. So we got here just more parameters. I didn't see the power ratings, but I know what they are. They're 100 watts, 300 max. And interesting setup. Got some mounting hardware here. That's nice. Not sure I like the way they're doing this. So I think I'm going to have to set it probably like this, because that's what I had to do with the other ones. So, yep, there we go. Boop. Set this over here because I don't want to start a fire with the E nail going. So, what do we got first? We got our little Hertz cover. Not too bad. Not going to use them. I didn't use the other ones. And I'm just everywhere. I really need a tripod. Camera stand, something. There we go. What's this? Some sticky shit that you can use. But there you go. That's what it looks like. Not too bad, I guess. It's plasticky. Probably pop that off, bolt this down, pop that back on. But these are going underneath the deck. Well, they're going on the rear deck and underneath the rear deck lid. And to the main event. I don't know. Alright, I'm going to set this down for a minute, rip this bag open. I'll just set it like that so you can see the counter. I don't have to rip it open, it's tucked. You need 2 hands to get to it. Alright, so there we go, 6x9 through a coax. Almost feels like the same type of magnet that's on their energy version. I think they're 165.5s, not the L's, just regulars. So turn these bad boys upside down. That's what we have there. Hertz, manufactured, whatever, blah blah blah. 4 ohms. I'm gonna put these on the SCAR SK125/4. So they're definitely gonna get their power they need. And I'm hoping they help pick up some mid-bass that I'm missing. I shouldn't need to make any stupid adapters. I should just pop right in and go. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching.